Hey everybody, it's Neil and I use the Find My for everything, and this one here is a TopMade key finder. So let's go ahead and check this out if I can open it. Here it says strong magnetic TopMade key finder. So let's see what we got here. Oh, very nice. So it comes with a cool looking chain here. Very cool, and it's going to have the key finder inside of it, which is very cool. And it comes with a couple of different little hooks, so you could have that kind of hook there to hook it up to something. So hooking up to your backpack or something, and then you have a carabiner one as well. So you can use that as well. Let me take off all the stuff here 1 second. Comes with a little screwdriver, so you can get into it, I guess, to add the little devices. So instead of this hook here, if you want to switch it out for this hook here, you could as well. So it's got the little screwdrivers to open the things up and do it. It's right in there. And then to set this up, it looks like it has a little button on the side, and it's got the USB port there. Oh, I just heard the little dings. So let me go into my Find My. So I have my Find My in here, and then I can just go and add an item, and I will say other item. It says searching for an item, so hopefully it will find it. I don't know if I have to push it again. Oh, there it is, and it found it, and it says TopMade Key Finder. So now I hit connect, and I'm going to say Keychain. Oh, Keychain. Okay, so now I have a Keychain new, and I can choose an emoji for it. So I will just take, I'll say one called Key. So there we go, continue. So now it is linked to my one here, and I can say there's my directions. So now I can say it kind of shows there Keychain is with me. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can't really show you all the details because it has an address on it, but there it is. So now it has it, and I can say play sound, and there you go, it plays the sound. I can say stop sound, and I can say directions and everything. It says the battery is full. So that is really cool. So now I have myself a nice little keychain that has the Find My built into it. So really cool. Thumbs up if you need a keychain. I would recommend getting something like this.